the difference between bioidentical hormones and body identical hormones? Have you heard these words before? I just started hearing about body identical hormones, and I was a bit confused, so I want to pass along to you the difference. And the long story short is that they're actually very similar, but we'll get there. So first of all, bioidentical hormones, you know about these. These are essentially hormones where the chemical structure of that hormone that's being given to you in a prescription is identical to the chemical structure of the hormone that your body is already making or previously made. So the two chemical structures, these are a little different, but in theory, if these were the exact same chemical structure, then this would be a bioidentical form of that hormone, of that estradiol, for instance. So that's what bioidentical means. It means the chemical structure of the hormone is exactly the same as the chemical structure of the hormone that your body either made or is currently making. Okay, so that's easy enough. What does body identical mean? Well, body identical means the exact same thing. It means the exact same thing. That you have two chemicals with the exact same chemical structure as what is already in your body. The difference between them is that in general, when people refer to bioidentical hormones, at least in the past, they were referring to these compounded prescriptions made in compounded pharmacies, where the pharmacist actually is able to finely tune what's in that prescription based on the physician's orders, so that you could get, a cream or a pill or whatever it is, you could get it made specifically to the exact amount of estradiol or testosterone or progesterone that the doctor and the patient thinks is going to work. So that's the compounded pharmacy. It's a great option for being able to really finely tune those prescriptions. And with hormones, it can make a difference because some people are very sensitive to hormone doses. The downsides to compounding pharmacies, and what a lot of the traditional doctors out there, kind of were screaming about for a long time, is that they don't have some of the same quality control that a big pharmaceutical company might have. Because the big pharma places who make some of these same hormones, by the way, they're still going to make estradiol, they're still going to make progesterone, they're still going to make bioidentical hormones, but they're making them on a grander scale, and they're making them, using different regulations, and they're overseen by the FDA. So a lot of doctors, started realizing that these bioidentical hormones were working, and they were working well, but they didn't like the idea that they were being made by compounding pharmacists. They didn't want to be associated with those pharmacists and those pharmacies. And so those doctors, these sort of traditional allopathic medical doctors, your regular, sort of general OBGYNs and urologists and family practice doctors, they decided that, we should call it something different. We should call it body identical hormones. We should call estradiol that's made from a pharmaceutical company body identical. We should call estradiol that's made from a compounding pharmacy bioidentical. And both of these things are the exact same as the estradiol made in my body. So it really, honestly, it's about what you and your provider prefer. I've used both compounded and pharmaceutical grade hormones that are identical. So they're bioidentical or body identical for many years, and they both work, and they both work well. So it doesn't actually matter, and you don't have to get in kind of a pissing match in your doctor or with the pharmacy or with anybody else about it. The key thing is to make sure that the chemical structure of whatever you're taking matches exactly the chemical structure of what's in your body. So it's estradiol, it's progesterone, it's testosterone. It's not other estrogens. It's not progestins. It's not some weird testosterone formulation-ish that doesn't actually have testosterone in there. They have to be the same chemical structure of what's in your body. Whether it's made by big pharma or by compounding pharmacy doesn't actually matter that much. That's just user's choice. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have questions or if you have other things you want me to address. I'll try my best. Have a good day.